Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to figure out how long it'll take you to get from one place to another by using Google Maps. So once you're on Google Maps, you can type in a desired location. So we can say we want to go to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. So usually it'll pop up having a suggestion. Once you do that, you'll let it load. Okay, so here is where we want to go. We want to go to the Golden Gate Bridge. So you click on directions and you choose your starting location. So we're going to say that we're going to start at this Salt Lake City Public Library. Okay, click on that one. So now, if you notice up here, it shows you that this is how long it will take you to make that drive, so driving in a car. And the fastest route is 11 hours and 12 minutes. Something else that's pretty cool, though, is you can click on other forms of transportation. So you can click on public transit. Now for this long, it's going to take quite a long time to get over there, 20 hours, because you have to make a couple, you'll have layovers and things like that. Then there's other fun things like walking. For this, I do not suggest walking this 763-mile walk. It would take you 244 hours, but for shorter distances, that's fun. Also cycling and things like that. I hope this was helpful.